There's so many things in life that I feel like I just have to do. Living on a ship and sailing around the world was one of these things. I packed my bags, flew across the country, and tried to prepare myself to meet hundreds of new strangers. Making friends isn't that hard when everybody's open to it. When we first got on the ship, no one knew what the coronavirus was. We were expecting 106 days, 4 continents, 11 countries, and countless cities. By the time we got to Japan, everything started to change. We received an email saying that due to the new outbreak of the coronavirus, we would be diverting from our next port of Shanghai, China.
2, 3, 4.
As the news spreads of China's mystery illness, so too does the unknown virus. The outbreak has been linked to a seafood market in the Chinese city of Wuhan.
When you live on a ship in the middle of the ocean, it's hard to know exactly what's going on in the world. All you know is what you hear from other people.
Stay in Tokyo for 2 nights and then pass Mount Fuji, and then the third.
It's A6. Yeah. What did you say?
I'm giving up bread rolls and dining hall dessert. It's gonna take everything in me, but I just can't.
Later that night.
So we managed to get off the ship for almost 2 weeks in Vietnam before returning back to the ship for a long time. And time has a wonderful way of showing us what really matters. We ended up losing our next 2 ports of Malaysia and India. The plan was to get out of Asia and finish the rest of the voyage. Seychelles was added to our itinerary to make up for lost time in port. We sailed along the equator for over a week until a day before we got there, Seychelles denied us entry. The coronavirus was getting worse, and it started to seem like there was nowhere else we could go. And the idea of being stuck at sea became more and more real every single day. Then, after many long days at sea, Mauritius finally let us in. Mozambique was added, but then taken away. And then we got another email saying that our next ports of Ghana and Morocco were canceled. We didn't really know where we would end up next. The Canary Islands was added to our voyage, but we all knew by now it wouldn't happen. A few days later, they announced that we would no longer be disembarking from Amsterdam. The voyage now has to end in South Africa due to the coronavirus. We'll definitely be off the ship within the next 5 days, I guess. That's crazy. Next came the hardest part, the goodbye.
I hope you're having a good day. I really wish there were French toast at breakfast today, but that's okay.
This person didn't do it right, but this is so overwhelming. People are staring at us. Peace, love, Berlin.
We're in Berlin and we're doing a photo reel or a video reel, and I'm Sam. I miss you so much already, and I'm literally looking at you right now. So.
Hello, friends. We look so annoying right now in Berlin. We're talking so loud, but you know, it's a fun thing that we're all doing, and I'ma miss y'all.
Hello, Samantha. How are you? I hope you're doing great time.
Sam, but I am so glad that I got to meet you. I'm gonna miss you a lot. You're so genuine and kind. I don't want to leave. I want this to last forever. I love you so much. You're kind, sweet. Like, you're really beautiful. You're really beautiful. Like, you're really beautiful. I love you. Switch. Sam. Oh my gosh, my travel bud. I am so thankful for you, for your energy, for your optimism, for your navigation, and I cannot wait to visit you and have you visit me. Love you. Hi. I can't wait for all the adventures to come. I'm so excited. It's been so fun. Hi, God, Sam's phone. Well, I think I'm making my husband money on any trips in the U.S. Come find me in Michigan.
Sam, I love you so much, and I hope you're having a good time at school. And I need you to come visit me soon because I'm gonna go insane without you. And yeah, I love you, bye.
And for my fellow Voyagers, as you organize your story and reflect back on the past few months, know that it does not end here. The voyage may be over, but my wish for you is that the relationships you made with various shipboard community members, the people you never would have met otherwise, will continue to flourish. Also, I hope that the voyage has enhanced your life. I also want you to take time to critically think about the ways in which you have changed, as well as how this shapes your purpose in the world. It has been an honor and joy to serve as your voice, and to all my shipmates, thank you for the laughs, thank you for your strength, and I wish you the very best as we begin to head home the next few days. And remember, 128, the world awaits.
Don't worry, we still had one last adventure.